ever thought about what a disaster it would be if the cells in your eyes started producing the same hydrochloric acid that is made by your stomach cells? Your stomach cells produce hydrochloric acid to help break down food, but you definitely don't want that in your eyes. Thank goodness that doesn't happen. But it's surprising because both your eye cells and your stomach cells contain all of your DNA. Your DNA, all of it, is found in your body cells. But see, the portions that are used need to be regulated somehow. Otherwise, we could end up with something ridiculous, like eye cells producing hydrochloric acid. And that wouldn't just be a waste of resources, that would actually be very difficult to explain to your friends. You want genes to be regulated, controlled. Remember that genes are made up of DNA. DNA is used to give instructions for the production of proteins in the process of protein synthesis. But an important concept is that there needs to be a method of determining which genes will be turned on and which genes will be turned off. This is called gene regulation. And there are many ways that genes are regulated. In your human body cells, you can have proteins that can bind to certain gene regions to increase the rate of transcription for the transcription enzyme RNA polymerase. Or you can have proteins decrease transcription to the point that it may not be transcribed at all. This is a form of gene regulation. Your eye cells don't use the portion of DNA that codes for making hydrochloric acid like your stomach cells do, because there is regulation in your cells to determine which portions of the DNA is used.